I think Parliament can come up with the resolution to do away with it.
All right.
Yeah.
Now let's just move on to page 5. And the story there is Uhuru keeps the nation in suspense. Uhuru keeps the nation in suspense. Of course, we've already had this conversation. This was the story or the headline on page 1. But to page 6, Wiper wants ODM to give up one post. Now, Wiper party leaders are unhappy that their nominee to the Parliamentary Service Commission was struck off the list presented in the National Assembly yesterday.
These are some of the challenges we continue to witness in NASA. The affiliate parties seem not to agree on a number of issues, and one of them is appointments to the various committees and powerful entities within the Parliament and the Senate. So I think Wiper and the ANC are trying to overdo each other, but now ODM is like a big brother who thinks like, all these things belongs to us. So we can only dish out like a token to other affiliate parties. But these parties consider themselves as equal partners within NASA. So those are squabbles that we will continue to see. And if we see them, the NASA affiliate parties scrambling for these positions, then we start questioning the coalition, the sustainability beyond the 2017 elections, because we want to see this coalition become formidable towards 2022 elections. But if we see wrangles at this moment, then its sustainability will be put into question as to how these partners are going to work together. So, and also something to mention is about the agreement, the coalition agreement that was reached between these affiliate parties. You realize that they didn't have actually articles or statements to indicate on how they are going to share these parliamentary positions. So it also gives ODM a chance, because it has the majority of this of the elected members, to actually take most of those seats, and just as I said earlier, to just dish out a number of seats to their affiliate parties. But it's not